Hello and welcome to Andy Wright Travel. Andy Wright speaking. This is just a quick intro into this video. This is a video from 2018 and it's been re-edited to show you the hotel that we stayed in during our stay, Baan Buakhao, Pattaya. Now, I did record this in 2018 and it appeared in the series which was Thailand Adventure 5, and to be fair, I've been re-watching all of my old videos and I'm currently on series 5, and I realised that perhaps people have missed these parts of the videos because they've had very few views over the years. It's now currently 6 years old and still only, what, 200 or 300 views. You would appreciate that it's a bit disappointing, especially when the contents of it could be quite useful and entertaining and enjoyable. So I have taken the old footage and I have re-edited the video, and this now appears under the banner of Hotel, Motel, Holiday Inn. So there is currently a series playlist that you can watch on the channel of all the videos that we have about hotels that I've stayed in Thailand as best I can, and obviously there are a couple there from a few years ago, and Baan Buakhao was one of them. Now you will notice that I am physically more able in this video, so I am actually obviously walking around compared to nowadays when I rely on my scooter. So please bear that in mind. It was 6 years ago. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Hotel, Motel, Holiday Inn.
Yeah. Busy. This is the second. So it's the next one. We need to turn, which is just there, I think. We're there? Yeah, we're there. So it's here, down here. There it is. There it is. Baan Buakhao. So we need parking. Baan Buakhao. I bet it's in here. What's that say?
Said 1 hour for
LK Royal. So it's not there. It's not the LK Royal. So it must be. Is that? I don't know. Is that one or the other one?
No, in Baan Buakhao.
Yeah, that's what we want. Baan Buakhao.
Buakhao or Buakhao?
Buakhao. See? Buakhao. Speak English, darling.
Buakhao. Tell me Buakhao, Thailand, Buakhao.
Where? So this is the hotel. It is Baan Buakhao, looking over the front entrance. So this is the balcony, front entrance. There's actually a restaurant over the road there, which I'm sure my lovely wife would like to visit. There's also one down there. This is the LK Metro car park. That is the LK Metro over there. Aurora House next door. Room for hire. Apart from that, I don't really know what's what. There is a very noisy air conditioner, which is ours. And this balcony is quite good because we can actually come outside, even though it's very, very hot. So I think we're going to have to go off and have a little wander around the street, the Soi Buakhao, which is that one. I'm not sure which way is north and which way is south. We'll have to have a look on my phone, which has got a compass on it, so I can find out which way, whichever way it is. If that's south, then the hideaway is down that way. So there we go. That's the balcony tour. And we have a very nice room. This was recommended.
Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Today we're going to do a little hotel review. We are on Soi Buakhao. We are here. We're staying at the Baan Buakhao Hotel and Resort.
Just got that. That's actually quite a nice curtain because that is double lined. So that should stop some of the noise. Nice big bed. My lovely wifey bed. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, and this is a really big room, and I do like this because you've got a work area which is not near the bed, and I can just do my thing. There is a fridge, and obviously there's a mirror, TV. It's quite high up actually. There's a what they would colloquially, I can't even say that. What people call that is a puff. But there you go. That's the ample storage space. Slides. Loads of storage space. And there's the front door. And then we've got a very large, typical Thai bathroom. And they have the shower with the rest of the room. So there's no separating the two, which obviously means water gets everywhere. So, and obviously the toilet with the bum wash. Now, what I haven't seen are, oh there they are. I thought I didn't see any towels, but there they are. They're wrapped up towels. So that is a quick tour of the Baan Buakhao. I do have no shirt on because it's very, very hot. The air conditioning doesn't really seem to be doing a lot. In actual fact, if you have a look at the air conditioner hand control, which I'll just do this and try and zoom into it, you can see it says 79 degrees. You can probably make out it says 79 degrees there, and I'm not sure why, because I think the 79 degrees is actually quite impossibly hot. So there we go. That's, and on the recommendation of Kev, I decided to book this room. So we're here for four days, and then we're going to see what we do. We might have another day, I don't know yet, or we might just head off. Might have had enough by then. But we are literally on Soi Buakhao, top of the road, and 850 baht per night with 1,000 pounds, 1,000 baht deposit, which you get back at the end, provided that you don't wreck everything. The unusual thing is the outside of this door here is a corridor, that goes obviously down to the lift, but it's not closed in, it's open, so you've got fresh air outside. So you're probably going to be very careful when you open the door so you don't get all these mozzies coming in, because it's obviously outside. But apart from that, we'll show you the downstairs later, but obviously this is a room. It's 850. This is what they call the standard room. They do have other rooms upstairs. I don't know whether it was a sales pitch or not, but she said it was 900. I'll give you one which is cheaper, down lower, because you said you wanted to be near the floor, near the ground floor. Well, I didn't actually say that. I just said I couldn't walk very far. So, but they do you a deal, as it were, So they did, no charge week.
Know what I mean? Nudge, nudge.
We'll do it for 850, and in actual fact, it probably was 850 anyway, for a standard room. So there we go. I can thoroughly recommend the Baan Buakhao. Just as Kev said, it is as good as he vlogged, and I'm not trying to copy, but it is a very good hotel, and there is a lift, so you can fully accessible, including some stuff that he didn't mention. One is that you can park your car out the front, and they are very strict about that. If you're not staying here, then you can't park your car, because they were actually going to come and move us along when we arrived, but obviously we said that we were checking in, so they obviously, okay, that's fine. So there's a parking space. I don't know how long for, it might be until somebody else comes along. The other benefit that wasn't mentioned is the very, very good ramp up into the reception area, which we'll show you that later, because it's intriguing, because they think that the wheelchairs can go up cliff faces, but in actual fact it's quite steep, and if I was in the wheelchair I probably wouldn't want to do it on my own. However, at least they have a ramp. That's the main thing. Hello and welcome. Just a quick advert for my new affiliate link. This is for Agoda, so if you're interested in any sort of holiday aspect, that's hotels, transport, airfares, itineraries and travel guides, apartments, eSIMs, whatever. If you're interested in any aspect of travel, then please use the link down below to go over to agoda.com, book your item through them and through the link, and hopefully I will get a small commission from that. So help me out, help the channel grow and fund the channel by using the link. So thank you for that, and I look forward to hearing from you how you managed to get a bargain. We are ready to go, rock and roll. So we're off out the front. Got a rough plan. Going to see how far I can go. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Darling.
You want to give key to take key?
No, take you. Yes. And there's a swimming pool down there.
Tell him to take key in back.
Yes. So a swimming pool with a little rest area. As I say, this area here is outside. There's the outside area.
And go to play pool.
Yeah.
No,
In bar.
No, play it.
Yeah.
Table.
So there's 4 floors by the look of it. Oh, it's 4. It went up to 4. We'll see. Some Oh, there's 5 floors. And we're on 2. Coffee for free. Oh, I like that. 7 AM till 3. So this is reception. Quite a nice little area. Swimming pool. Hello. Do you have a bath?
อ๋อพอดี
A bath
แก
hut?
ของแกของพวกอะไรแกไม่ได้เอาไปด้วยค่ะ
Do you have a bath hut? Yeah.
แต่ต้องเอากุญแจมาเองค่ะ ถ้าไม่ฝากก็เอากุญแจมาเอง
ค่ะดูลูกแกเคยทำขายตอนอยู่ขอนแก่นเสียค่าปรับเยอะ
Don't know. She have bath hut? She give you one? You not asked, did you?
ที่นี่ว่า do not
She want
take
more key?
yeah do not take everything ครับที่นี่
Oh.
clean
Yeah. This is the outside area. Oh look, darling, he leaves scooter.
yeah
I want scooter.
yes ลูกยินขอนแก่นไหม
I take scooter.
ยินขอนแก่นไหม80 darling
No. Oh, so he's taking this battery. New battery. Yeah.
When you come it's like
Ah, I want one. That's pretty good though. You can take it upstairs. Floor 5 floors. This is free coffee. They're on TripAdvisor. Nice pool. Already done?
สวัสดีค่ะ
Huh? So Soi Buakhao down there. This is the small parking area that they have. In actual fact, our room is up there somewhere. 2nd floor. Because we overlook the Soi